and in this video, we mainly talk about how to restore photos from iTunes backup. One of the methods guarantees that you won't lose any data. Simply read on to learn the details. Part 1. How to restore photos from iTunes backup via official iTunes. Sync iPhone with computer, open iTunes, go to Summary, click Restore Backup. Photos will appear in Photos app after process completes. Part 3. How to recover photos from iTunes backup via Doctor for iOS. If you just want to restore photos from iTunes to iPhone, then you can use professional iTunes photo recovery software like Mobican Doctor for iOS. How to recover photos from iTunes backup selectively with Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Launch Doctor for iOS on a computer. Download Doctor for iOS and install it. Set the recovery mode as Recover from iTunes Backup file from the left side of the main interface. Step 2. Scan for photos from iTunes Backup. Choose Backup, click Start Scan to display recoverable data. Select Camera Roll Photos and scan. Step 3. Start to extract photos from iTunes Backup. Preview scanned images, choose, then click Recover to computer.